What's happening, guys? It's your boy Chaotic Kicks, and I'm back with another video, y'all. Today's video, I will be talking about my top 5 sneakers of the year so far. But before we get into that, I'm gonna need y'all to go ahead and A-Town stomp that subscribe button, and also Stone Cold Steve Austin Stunner that notification bell so that you're notified every time that I drop a video. Listen, I want to give a huge shout out to the homie Zaya X for doing my merch for me. I'm gonna give you guys a good look detail on it. It's like a cartoon graphic on my shirt of myself, and it says, "I rock my sneakers." Man, I really appreciate it, homie. The shirt look fly, man, and trust me, you will be getting more business from me. Listen, also, I have a giveaway going on. Once I reach 500 subscribers, I will be giving away a $100 gift card. You know what I'm saying? In order to be a part of that, all you have to do is follow the details that's linked below in the description. Listen, man, I'm gonna tell y'all something right now. These 5 sneakers that I got, man, you know what I'm saying? That's my choosing, you know what I'm saying? And I hope that y'all rock with them. But first off, the first sneaker I'm gonna start with is the Retro 6 Infrareds. Man, this sneaker here is so fly, man. I love the way that they did it this year. I don't have any of the other pairs to compare it to, but man, I'm telling you, bro, the material on here, they done this shoe justice. You know what I'm saying? And I'm glad that I was able to catch the one when they re-retroed this year. I was able to get the pair with the Nike Air on the back of it. Man, I love this sneaker, man. You know what I'm saying? This is an iconic shoe. Jordan didn't win one of his championships with one of these, man, and I'm really rocking with it, man. And I'm glad I was able to add it to my collection. You know what I'm saying? I have worn these. This is not VS anymore, and this is just a dope sneaker to me, man. You know what I'm saying? And I'm glad I'm able to show you guys and have it in my collection. You know what I'm saying? Moving on, I'm gonna go with the Bred 4s. Man, oh man, I was so happy when they told us we was getting this sneaker back this year, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, I haven't had 4s in my collection at all. I was told that these would be re-retroing to this year. I just had to pick it up, man, once it came out. These are still dead stock. It does have the Nike Air tag on it, and bruh, you know what I'm saying? Like, I love the new buck that is on this sneaker, man. You know what I'm saying? I really love this sneaker, and I'm glad I was able to get it in my collection. You know what I'm saying? I'm actually starting from the bottom of the pulpit, to be honest with you. Like, a lot of the sneakers that I'm picking up are mostly this year, you know what I'm saying, that I haven't had in my collection, that I'm able to get because they're re-releasing. And I'm glad that I'm able to get these and add it to the collection. That way, you know what I'm saying, once they re-release, I can give y'all reviews on the 2019 pairs that I copped this year. You know what I'm saying? Man, I don't know, man, what to say, but I'm just glad that these sneakers here are here, man. You know what I'm saying? I did hit on the sneakers app for a pair that was for a 7U in my wife's size. And I was able to go to my retail store and pick these up for myself. I did hit on the Pivots app for these, man. So I did win the raffle, man. And I'm glad that I'm able to have these in my collection, man. I really appreciate these shoes, and I'm glad that they're here, man. Moving on, though, to the next one. I'm going to have to go with the Cool Gray 4s, man. These here are very dope. Man, the material that they done these with is very good, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, it is way better. The tone of the sneaker is a lot darker than 2004 pair. But man, I'm telling you, man, this sneaker here is fire. You know what I'm saying? Unlike the Bred 4, this one didn't come with the Nike Air on the back of it. But man, even with the chrome jump, man, bro, like, this is a dope colorway. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I hope you wasn't sleeping on this sneaker, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, this sneaker is very dope. And like I said, bro, I'm glad to have it in my collection. I'm glad that it's here. And these are dead stock as well. I haven't worn them yet. You know what I'm saying? And bro, I'm gonna just bring both of them on the table just to give you a comparison of both of them. You know what I'm saying? Like, these two sneakers are iconic, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, the way Jordan brand done these two sneakers this year is, oh my God, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, they're fire. You know what I'm saying? And I'm glad to have both of these, man, in my collection. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, I ain't gonna waste too much time. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next one. And I'm gonna go with the SP Genius, man. This is a sneaker that was created for a school teacher out there in the Bay Area. And bruh, you know what I'm saying? To be a regular person and have a shoe retro for you, not even retro, to be made for you, man, it's got to be amazing, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, the material that they used on this sneaker is very dope. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm pretty sure it put a smile on her face. You know what I'm saying? You know, it's just a fire sneaker, man. Just looking at it, just to give a brief description, it does have that red bottom, man, and leads into this speckled glitter type material that's on the midsole of it. You know what I'm saying? Like, bruh, in the insole of it, you do have Gina's face in it. You know what I'm saying? Like, bruh, I know the lady was happy when she seen the finished product of this sneaker, bruh, and I'm glad that I'm able to have this in the collection as well, bruh. You know what I'm saying? Like, and it'll never leave my collection, man. So I appreciate you, Miss Gina. You know what I'm saying? And I promise you, I'm gonna take care of these here. You know what I'm saying? But moving on to the next one, I'm gonna go ahead and say that the Blue Chill Ones, man. When this sneaker dropped, man, oh my God, bro. I was in finish line waiting on these sneakers. It was a first come, first serve. I was able to get 2 pairs, you know what I'm saying, that wasn't my size, and I ended up getting rid of them, and I ended up calling one of my homies in the area, you know what I'm saying. He had a size 12, my size. I traded him off one of my Concords for it, you know what I'm saying. I gave him one of my Concords for it, man, you know what I'm saying, because I had doubled up around Christmas time on the Concords. I ended up trading them off for this sneaker. And bruh, I'm telling you, man, this sneaker here is fire. And they do have the Obsidian ones that's dropping later this month. I will be going after those as well. Man, I just love that North Carolina blue that's on the toe box of it, man, and on the back heel, man, and around the heel part of it, you know what I'm saying, the ankle part of it as well. Bruh, I don't know what to say, bro. Like, this is one of the sneakers here, man, and these are still dead stock. I haven't worn these either. Bruh, this is a very, very dope sneaker, man. And if you don't have this in your collection, man, you need to either visit GOAT or StockX and go ahead and put this sneaker in your collection, man. This is a fire sneaker, man. You know what I'm saying? And that wraps it up for my top 5, but I will give y'all an honorable mention. The honorable mention is the turbo green one. Man, this sneaker here, bruh, the material they chose for this sneaker is fire, man. Kind of got like that shaggy look to it, man, you know what I'm saying? Man, like that denim type feel, man, like, bruh. These here with a pair of Levi's, bruh, telling you'll be killing it, man. You'll be killing it. Man, you know what I'm saying? I love the way that these done it. You got that sail bottom here, man. You know what I'm saying? Bruh, this sneaker is just dope, bruh. And these are dead stock too. I haven't worn it yet, but trust me, these will be getting worn soon. You know what I'm saying? I can't wait to try it on, you know what I'm saying, and see what my fit and everything look like with it, man. You know what I'm saying? So, other than that, man, I also want to give an honorable mention to the Travis Scott one High OG and the Travis Scott low. Bro, those are two of the shoes that I wish I could have added into this video because they sure would have been part of my top 5 of the year, but I don't. But I feel like they do need to be mentioned because they are very, very hype sneakers, man. And a lot of people rock with them, you know what I'm saying, go for them. And I want to know if it's because of the name of it or because the sneaker look dope. To me, you know what I'm saying, I think the sneakers are dope, especially the high OG, you know what I'm saying. Like, I dig the colorway. I love that mocha colorway on that sneaker and everything, man. But other than that, man, you know what I'm saying, I give y'all a brief look at all 5 sneakers together. These are my top 5 sneakers of the year so far, you know what I'm saying, and my honorable mention. Also, man, y'all leave me a comment below. Let me know what y'all top 5 are. You know what I'm saying? If y'all think that any of these made it to your top 5, because I love interacting with y'all. I love hearing what y'all have to say about these sneakers. Also, I'm gonna need y'all to head down to SOLEPREMISE, man, and go cop you one of these fire bags right here, man. You know what I'm saying? I do have the commuter bag that's coming that matches my duffel bag, and bruh, these bags are fire, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, it holds sneakers, it holds clothes, computer, laptop, you know what I'm saying? All your accessibles, man, all in one bag, you know what I'm saying? And like I said, I do have the commuter bag that's coming, you know what I'm saying? That'll give me, you know what I'm saying, I can put my sneakers in one bag and my laptop in the other with my clothes, you know what I'm saying? Most likely my clothes and my sneakers will be in this bag, and my laptop, my camera, or whatnot will be up in my commuter bag, man, you know what I'm saying? These do fit in the overhead bins on the airplane. These are TSA approved. So, man, go ahead and head over to SOLEPREMISE.com. Use code Chaotic Kicks. Save yourself 30%, man. But other than that, man, it's your boy Chaotic Kicks, and I'm out. Peace.